Set your air fryer to 350 degrees for 5 minutes and allow it to preheat. Spray your pan with cooking spray and gently wipe it around. Crack and place 2 eggs in the pan. If you're really hungry, you want to add a 3rd egg, go ahead, but you may need to adjust your time by a minute. Add crushed black pepper to taste. Add your choice of cheese. Add chopped spinach. Add sun-dried tomatoes. You could also add mushrooms or whatever else you like on top. There it is. Place it in your preheated air fryer. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Make sure it's cooked to your liking. Carefully place on a plate and enjoy. This is a delicious, easy, quick, protein-packed breakfast. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.